Updating your billing information on ID.me is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ID.me website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the section dedicated to billing or payment information. This may be labeled as billing, payment methods, or something similar. Step 4. Update your information. Click on the option to edit or update your billing information. Enter your new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated billing information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your billing information on ID.me will be successfully updated. Make sure to review your information periodically to keep it current.